Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I'm getting for you guys a haul. I mean, not haul actually, what am I saying? A review on one of my handbags. And now I'm going to go back to my Michael Kors handbags. Um, I kind of get distracted in between and start doing beauty videos, makeup videos, because I buy some stuff or I buy some clothing stuff and I'm like, okay, I need to do a video on this before this. So I kind of got distracted, and I haven't done like videos on my Michael Kors handbags that are sitting there. I have a lot of them. And I started catching on to Coach because I was buying new bags, new Coach bags. So I never got time to go back to my old Michael Kors bags. So I thought, before you guys start seeing it somewhere on Instagram, me wearing them or wearing them, I thought like I need to start doing some videos on them, because there are a lot of them that I've not even worn and I've kept them inside, and some of them I've done videos on, but not all. So this is one of the handbags that I hadn't done video on, and this is this Michael Kors handbag. This is a crossbody bag, and I got this from outlet, from Michael Kors outlet, and this was one of my initial bags I got from the outlet, or one of my first crossbodies, I think, from outlet. Even the blue one I had got it after this, but this one I had got it initially, and you can see like the quality, it's like the outlet quality, so it's like it's okay, but just for everyday use it's a nice bag. So this is the only one I think I have with this monogram print, like this MK print with the dark color. You guys have seen the MK print with that vanilla color bag that I have, short shoulder bag. That I had done a video on that, and I now that I remember that, I think I need to start using that this summer. So this is the only dark one that I have, like the dark in this print, in this MK print. So very simple. It has that MK logo here with the with like a brown leather inside here. It's leather, and then this big logo, and then the chain, all of them have like Michael Kors on them here. The zippers, you will see it's written Michael Kors on them. This zipper and this zipper. Where's the other zipper? Yeah, this zipper. So all the zippers have like Michael Kors written on them, and I like that it's pretty. Like I can keep a lot of like stuff in it, like my phone. My phone is breaking right now, guys. Like look at that. It's like breaking. It's coming off. The rubber thing is coming off. Not the phone actually, but the cover. It's like coming off. But like this phone, if I drop it from here like down, nothing is going to happen. It's not going to break because of this cover, and that's the only reason I have this cover, is because of that. So this phone, it also fits, like this pocket is a little bit larger pocket here, and this one is a smaller pocket, but this will fit my phone, which is a Samsung S5 Active. It will fit inside there with a bulky cover, so it's pretty good. So it fits in like the normal stuff that I would take, like a small wallet that I can keep here. I can keep even like my keychain in here. So like it fits everything that I would need to go out. Like, so if I go out like for a walk or something with my kids, then I take this. That way I can keep like the minimal stuff in it. So let me show you the first pocket here. So it just is like this. It has all Michael Kors written inside, like any other outlet bags. And then I'll show you the middle part later. But then this one here, it has inside, it has that like Michael Kors logo leather thing, and it also has this pocket here, a big pocket here inside. So you can like put some stuff there separately and keep it. And what I love also in this handbag is also it has this pocket here. I have kept the receipt there. It has this pocket here, which is like an open pocket. If the phone can fit in there too. Does it fit in there? Yeah, so it can fit in there too, so which is pretty good. um, and yes, oh my god, what is it called? Sorry guys, I just started showing the bag. What is this bag called? So this bag is a Travel Continental. It's a, yeah, Travel Continental in brown. And I got it for, it was retailed for $168 and I got it for $68. 67 something, not 67 something. Oh no, $72. $72 because with the tax, yeah. So $72. So I got it for 72 and it is retailed for 168. And then okay, so now let me show you the so you have one zipper here, another zipper pocket, bigger zipper pocket here, and then in the back here it's magnetic, like I showed you the open pocket here, and it has a magnetic button here, so it so that's cool too, that you can even close it. I usually try to just keep napkins and stuff here. And then let me show you the middle part now. Let me close this zipper. So it's just a Continental wallet, I guess. See that? It has like buttons here. It's not magnetic, but just like press buttons here, like on both sides. And when you open like this, it's like, it's not completely open, so which is good. Look at that. So it has this leather piece here and here. These leather pieces that are there here in between, everywhere you see leather pieces, those leather pieces are really good. It looks like good quality, and this is just that canvas material. And then inside this is kind of like a wallet, so here you can keep your whatever, like your license or your ID, something there. And then on this side you can keep something too, so it's like an open pocket there. And then you can keep all your cards here. This is for cards, they've done it, so you can keep all the cards there. And then on this side again, up open pocket. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there, but I usually don't try to put anything in between there because I'm carrying my cards in the in small wallet. But then you can just close it like that, so it does not move, which is pretty good. So I really kind of liked it as a everyday bag. And then here, these are not detachable. So they're all attached, like the strap is attached, so you can't detach it. And I think this is one handbag in which I've not done any extra hole, even though this is some of the old bags I've done like extra holes on it, but this one I haven't, because I usually wear it like on as a crossbody, and it's fine for me as a crossbody. So it's really pretty. And you will see that even on these on the chain, like, you know, on the strap here also, on this also, there is Michael Kors written on that. So all the hardware pieces, it's written Michael Kors on the hardware piece. So that's really it. And let me give you, and I'm sorry, I think I'm wearing like the same dress as the other video I did, because I just, you know, did this video just after that, so I didn't want to like change again. So let me show you guys like how it looks as a crossbody. So for me, I'm just 5, and it just it sits like right there at below the hip. Yeah, right at the hip. So I do like it. It looks pretty. So that's how it looks. So I do love the handbag. So let me give you guys a close-up. So not much to it, guys. I just, yeah, but it has a lot of pockets, and that's what I love. And all the zips also, I love this. It's golden hardware, and it looks really pretty. Let me open it up again and show you guys there, and then there, and then there. And it's like a really nice sturdy handbag. So I just love that it's so sturdy and nice for like everyday going out kind of bag. And I had forgotten about this because the other day when I was doing my coach, I was like, I don't have an everyday bag. And I was like, no, I do. But yeah, I had forgotten completely about this. It was like sitting somewhere inside and I had forgotten about it. And I love that it has the brown strap. So pretty. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.